Hello everyone. So we have given x times x times x times x equal to bracket x plus x plus x. So we can write this as x power 4 is equals to 2. X plus x is 3x. So x power 4 is equals to 6x. Fourth power versus triple sum multiplied by 2. So let's solve. So first take all the terms together. Now factor out x. So x cube minus 6 equals 0. So x is equals to 0. And here x cube minus 6 equals 0. So x cube is equals to 6. So the real root is, if I'll take cube root both sides, x is equals to cube root of 6, which is approximately 1.8171. Complex cube roots x is 2. So, but the real solutions are x is equals to 0 and x is equals to cube root of 6, which is approximately 1.8171. I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.